Hey guys, my name is Khaled and welcome back to another video. Today we are unboxing the Razer Kraken headphones. If you want something similar to this or interested, I do have the links in the description box below along with the full specification. So some of the features, you can use it for the PC, Mac, PlayStation, Switch, pretty much everything out there. 7.1 surround sound, cooling gel infused over ear cushions for longer prolonged gaming sessions, and just a lot of features. It also has a retractable unidirectional microphone, so you can use it as a headset and you won't have that microphone dangling about everywhere. So let's go ahead and start the unboxing process. When you open up the tape at the bottom, you are presented with the main star of the show, which is the headphone itself, and very nicely packaged. You got felt at the top as well, so if it does move around in transit it won't get damaged and the cans will be perfectly in order. Okay, so that's what you get. You get the inline remote very nicely shown at the front. You get the headphones with the Razer branding at the top as well, and just very neatly packaged. At the bottom of the box you do have a compartment that states "for gamers by gamers," which is Razer's slogan. Once you take that off, you will be exposed to a few paperworks. So you do get a few in there. There is one with a code as well, which is not exposed for obvious reasons. So unlock your headset's full potential now. This is referring to the 7.1 surround sound, and I believe you need to go to a URL and then download it, and this will only presumably work for PC users. And also you get Razer stickers, so for all you sticker fans out there, I guess it's something to stick on your wall. And then furthermore, we do get a very nice booklet with illustration on how to use the headset and the different features of the headset. Now moving on to the Kraken headset, and in all honesty I can say these have the best out of box feeling and experience, because I've used the likes of Turtle Beach X12, the SteelSeries Arctis 1, M-Power EG3 Pro I believe, and this feels very premium. On the side you got the metal perforated finish with the Razer logo, and it just feels very good and premium to hold. Also gel infused padding, so if you want to play for long hours or have the late night gaming session, you shouldn't sweat as much and it should feel cool on your head. And they're very soft, and it also expands tremendously, so if you have a very large head such as myself, you shouldn't have any issues putting these on. It also has high adjustability, but I'll show you that slightly later on. You've got the left and the right branding as well, which obviously states for right ear and left ear. But if you're lazy like me, just have a look at that tiny retractable microphone and you'll know which way to put it on. Moving on to that, look how cute it looks, teeny weeny when it's all retracted into the body of the microphone. And look at that, it's a big boy now. Now very easy to retract and pull back out, and it's quite good as well because it's articulated, so if you want to put it close to your face, or depending if you have a long face, wide face, whatever, you can correctly position it and get it as close to your mouth as possible. Connection wise, you have a 3.5mm insert for all your gaming consoles. For PC you got an extension where it leads out to the speaker and microphone. In terms of the top, you have the Razer branding, which looks pretty neat, all blacked out finish. On either side of the cans you do have the Razer logo, and I really like it guys. I'm digging the design. It just looks extremely cool, understated, yet a head turner. One of the most important factors for any headset is how comfortable they are when you wear it, not only for short sessions but also when you're having prolonged gaming sessions, whether you're playing League Play, Call of Duty, any other games, or late at night. Luckily this has very nice padding on the interior, so not only will it help with the gel infused padding for the ear cuts, but the top part of your head will feel comfortable, but it will probably mess up your hair like most headphones do. Okay, it also has quite a lot of extendability, so it goes from notches 1, 1.5, 2, all the way to 5. So yeah, if you have a large head like me, you're going to be absolutely fine. These pads are super comfortable. You can see just how soft it is just by me pressing my finger against it. And they're quite easy to take off as well, so if you need replacement, just pull it out and then you can see that beautiful finish. Proper comfortable. I wish I had a pillow like this. And then if you want to put it back in, it's quite simple. You start from one end, you sort of feed it through, and then you twist, feed it through again, twist, and then that's pretty much done. Alright guys, if you made it all the way to the end, then thank you very much for watching. Please bear in mind this is just an unboxing video. I didn't talk about the audio quality, any gaming test, or how the remote works, etc. Now because I'm a new channel, I need to split this video up into two, so unboxing and reviews, otherwise I just don't have enough stuff to review or make videos on. I really hope you understand this guys, and as always, stay safe. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.